Groupby is one of the important function in Pandas. So let's see how we can implement Groupby in Python data frame. So first import some libraries. Import Pandas HPD. Import NumPy, not NumPy. Import Seaborn as SNS. Okay. So load a data df equal to SNS dot load. So I will load a inbuilt data frame available in the Seaborn library. So let's see. So data frame is loaded df. So we can see here this is the data frame. So on which we will perform group by operation. So we can see the shape of this data frame. Shape. Okay, there are 244 records and 7 column. Okay, there are 7 feature and 244 records. So if you want to see the column df dot columns. Okay, so these are the columns of data frame. So I want to perform group by operation. So first I want to group according to the sex. So there are male and female, and we can see there is total bill. So I want to group this data frame according to the sex. Okay, so we can see here df. Okay, extract the data sex and total bill. Okay, we can copy from here. Control C, Control V. Okay, so I have selected the data frame with sex and total bill column. Dot perform group by. Okay, group by sex dot sum. So first this will group by according to sex, male and female, then sum the total bill. So see here what is the result. Okay, so we are getting a data by no attribute group by. Okay. So here, so we can see here, see the smoker. So there is also one smoke. Control C, smoker, yes and no. There are two class of smoker. You can see here no, yes. Okay, the person who is doing smoking and the person who is not doing smoking. So let's see what's about if we use a smoker. So we can see here smoker total will group by smoker dot sum. So we can get the inference that those who are not smoking have higher total bill. So we can also perform aggregate with group by. How can we perform aggregate operation on group by? Df dot group by. Suppose this time again I am grouping according to sex dot aggregate. Write a dictionary. So what I want, so there is a column called tip. So tip, what is the median tip value? So I want to know the median tip value. Mean tip value and total bill. I want sum of total. Let's see what is the, so the mean average